Square Online is an e-commerce platform that allows business to sell products with inbuilt inventory management, a point of sale, POS system, and ability to accept a payment online. There is a free plan available. Payment online. There is a free plan available, but the paid plan offer for more features to help your small business more sell more efficiently. If you run in a brick and mortar shop or you sell on location occasionally, you can still use Square to process payment and the inventory scans automatically between your online and offline store. Square Online also make it easy for you to sell on Facebook and Instagram posts. Free plan available, affordable paid plan sell unlimited products on your sites, Facebook and Instagram. Built in inventory management, free domain for paid plans. Adamandate cart recovery plan, recovery features on high tier plans, advanced report on top tier plans, low processing that on premium. Cons: table of content, feature partners. Square Online at a glance. Square Online is a popular choice for my online seller because it is easy and to use and free to get started. It is flexible platform that work well for mobile sellers such as food trucks and fair vendors, online retailers, restaurants, and physical boutiques. These are just a few reasons why it's score high and for advisors list of the best e-commerce platform. If you choose a free version of Square Online, it's important to keep in mind that you still have to pay for payment process on each transaction. The free plan requires you to pay 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale. Square will not limit you on how many products you can sell online, but with the free plan you can only sell on Square branded sites or on social media. Your bandwidth and storage limited to 500 MB, so that it may you limit how much you sell on your site. All the plans can accept credit card payment, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Square Pay, and Cash App Pay. You also eligible to manage Facebook and Google Ads through Square dashboard, create coupons for customer, and use form for create lead to stay in touch with your customers. Care includes search engine optimization, SEO tools to help your rank a page or product on search engine like Google, and letting your entire SEO titles, description, and making them visible search engine. This is all about.